seatbelt sign is off. You may continue using charger phones and tablets. If you are sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any question you may have. Checked luggage can be retrieved from baggage carousel number 4. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about the experience via email or the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us tonight. From all of us at United and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us tonight. We're sorry for the late arrival and we appreciate your patience and understanding. It's been our pleasure serving you and we look forward to seeing you again on other United flights. Have a great night. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned on, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.